Hey everybody, welcome back to BirdTricks Kids. I'm Capri, and today I'm going to have you meet all of my birds. The first bird I'm going to introduce you to is the cutest, tiniest, and littlest one of our members, Blueberry. Hi, Blueberry.
She looks full of breakfast. Berry, are you full? You want to hang out?
No.
No.
No. We're on a screened-in porch right now, and we have it so that we can put our birds like Blueberry out here to keep them so they can stay here in the summer. Berry! It's time to go meet some of my bigger birds. This is Olivia. She's a little bit bigger than Berry. We also call her Livy, and she's a pineapple green cheek conure. She's also a project bird, so she's not actually ours, but we kind of count her as one. This is Bondi. She is a pink,
She is pink.
yeah, she's pink.
Livy kissed her for you.
This is Bondi. She's my rose-breasted cockatiel. Also, the psycho one. Rocco! Rocco! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
That was a really good rock out.
That was so good! Oh my gosh! Bondi is 19 years old. Bondi is the oldest of our flock. Do you guys want to see her walk? She has an adorable walk. Come here. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. All of our birds are free. All of our birds are free flight chain.
You're gonna have to redo it.
I can't talk. Don't try this at home. All of our birds are free flight changed. No!
Changed.
Trained. Cressy. This is Cressy. She's an African gray. Cressy's about 15 years old. This is Ava. She's a blue-throated macaw, and she's about 10 years old. She's also a project bird, so she's not actually ours. Psycho, 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 psycho. This is Jinx. He is our blue-throated macaw. He does a lot of tricks, and so I'm going to show you some. Good boy. Give a kiss. What's your nickname? Now let's meet my last two macaws. Tusa. This is Tusa. He is a Camelot macaw. He's about 15 years old and adorable.
Wanna do some more flights?
Tusa. Oh gosh. Thought he might hit me with this wing.
Is he your favorite?
Favorite macaw for sure. And last we have Comet. He is a Camelot macaw, just like Tusa. They do look a little different. Comet has more like yellow, and Tusa has more green. They're brothers, so they're the exact same age. Well, kind of. They're by a few days.
So is Comet your favorite? Least favorite?
Comet's so mean to me. He does not like me though.
Can you give him a treat?
I don't have any.
Do you want to give him one?
Give him some of the, So you guys have just met all my birds. The only ones missing are my two sun conures, who are actually on vacation in Florida right now. Oh, look at the hummingbird. When they're back, I'll do an updated video. If you love my birds just as much as I do, check out their pin collection. We have way more that you can purchase. All the purchases go to helping project birds. You can find our pin collection of all the project birds and our birds. See you in the next video.